Hi YouTubers. Right, I've done a few PMR little videos, so this one's back on the main topic of CB. Over the next maybe week or two, I'm hoping to get out in the car and do some filming from my phone. I've got a feeling that Rab, he's one of the guys that comments down here. Leave a comment, take the hint. I think he's pretty keen to get on one of the videos, so I'll take a little trip out around somewhere near him, maybe fire up and do a bit of filming, see what else is about. Activity creates activity, doesn't it? That's the thing. Right, what rig am I going to take? Well, I've got this. It's a rig I don't use a lot. It's a Ranger. I'll have to read the number up the top. It's a great big long number. It's a Ranger 6900 F25. There you go, and there's a heat sink on the back. I don't know whether you can see that properly. You get the idea. Most 10 metre rigs have got a heat sink on the back. Actually, I'll just get it back over. I'll tell you a little bit about it. It goes from 25 megs somewhere to 29 megs. So it covers quite a lot. All modes, of course, AM, FM, upper, lower, CW. It's got volume squelch, mic gain, RF gain, talk back, and RF power. What you got here? You got one, two, three, 4, 5. You got 6 bands of 40, and then you press a button, and then you got another. So you got 12 bands of 40. It's got a 10 kc jump, which is handy for the split channels, alpha channels, whatever you want to call them. Noise blanker, switchable Roger bleep, built-in SWR meter, and an echo. It's got an echo in it. Echo's not really my thing, and it's not the best of echoes, to be honest, but I'll show you one day how I've set the echo up on that via the talkback. That rig on SSB, I've turned it down and it now does 10 watts PEP. Might have to turn it up a bit, when we get it legal. 12 watts, but I've got a feeling that is, I'm not sure if it's going to be 12 watts or 12 watts ERP. If it's ERP, waste my time. Yeah, things to come. A little jaunt out in the mobile from on top of a hill, see who's about and whatnot. And back to the Ranger, by the way, what I think of it. I mean, I've had it quite a while now. FM, I can only describe the audio for a Ranger as disappointing. It's not great at all. Some people say, oh, it's bassy, some say it's a bit muffled. Some people are sort of like audio connoisseurs, and they don't particularly like it. I mean, it don't stand out. It don't sound like a brilliant rig like some of the other Rangers, like the 2950, for example. You stick something like a teardrop on one of them, sound great. This thing's not very good, but on AM and sideband, spot on, and that's why I got it, to be honest. For the sideband thing, with a little tweak, this one here do 40 watts just straight away, but I've turned it down should I want to run an amplifier, and if I want to use it on 10 meters, because I'm licensed and only an M3, I'm limited to 10 watts, and I do alright on 10 watts. Can't see the point of cheating really, fooling no one on the amateur band. They're not stupid. They might not want to say to your face, you ain't running 10 watts, but most of them know, they ain't daft. Most people don't really give a shit. I'm meeting up with some of the local amateurs, by the way, just for the records, I know everyone on the amateur band wants to say the right thing and do the right thing in like, what's the word? Not in the public eye, but you know what I mean. Get any of them amateurs on their own and chat to them. What about the old boys? You know, the ones that took the Morse code test in the, you know, middle of a thunderstorm in a lighthouse somewhere. They just say, wake the power up. Don't worry, nobody's going to know. But then, like, you get like the other little posse that are on the air, they're like the amateur radio police, you know, and fair enough, you're always going to get that no matter what hobby. But anyway, it's not about that, it's about CB, but as that rig does both, you know, that's how it come up. I think I basically told you, that rig, standard mic, excuse me, Stereo Megawatt 4000 is going to be on the roof, mag mounted. And I might take me a little box of Red Tricks, I'm not really sure. Might do. So they are. If you're anywhere near where I am, because you all should know where I am by now if you watch any of my other videos, and if you don't, I mentioned 2 or 3 times on my other videos where I am. So go and watch the others. And that's about it. Maybe catch you on the air. Maybe see a comment from you down the bottom there. Always nice to hear people's views. The other half's just coming back in. So for now, I say 73s. Catch you soon. Thanks for watching.